India has amazing authors. We have produced some of the finest works out there. India is also a country that is rich in religion and beliefs. Our supernatural lore is one of the finest and one of the widest all over the world. We have produced a lot many horror TV shows and horror movies throughout the years, and yet no horror book comes to my mind when I think of Indian fiction. This is Madhav Kaushik, and I'm pleased to announce that my first book is out for pre-ordering on Kindle. It is a horror novella which I'm sure will grip you to the core. Elders and friends alike have told us great many horror stories. Our country firmly believes in superstitions. I bring to you a story that will lead you down an amazing journey, a scary one, and will make you feel a part of it. Ramifications will release on 23rd of April, but you can pre-order it on your Kindle devices right now. You can also download the free Kindle app from the Play Store and can read it on your own personal devices. These are unprecedented times. COVID wave is more dangerous than ever. There is dearth of oxygen cylinders, hospital beds, and injections. I've experienced this firsthand when we were trying to get my grandmother hospitalized because of the virus. There is one more story. My father was at the petrol pump yesterday when the curfew was announced in Delhi. The guy in front of him started weeping bitterly. When my father asked him, he told my father that last year, when the lockdown was imposed, he had failed to make even a single penny. He was crushed. I initially wanted to price this book at 79 rupees to reach a wider audience. But the thing is that Amazon pays you around 35% royalty for the books that are priced below a minimum threshold. So now I have decided to price my book at 99 rupees. That is the minimum price on which you can avail a 70% royalty. It is now a price of a choco lava cake. There is a reason for this price. I plan to donate 50% of all the money that I make from this book. I don't know how I will donate it. I am thinking of either donating it to the COVID relief fund or giving it all away to a single person in need, just like Mr. Beast does in his videos. I will do a poll for this, so you can check out my YouTube channel for the same. I just want to tell you that I had a terrific time while writing this book, and even greater time when I finished reading it. I hope that this book will make it to the bestsellers list in its category, and I hope that you all will enjoy it just like I did. Thank you.